Hey guys, it's Ashtar, also known as iBallistic Punch, and today we're at my house, and we're gonna be recording with Mario. Daddy, it's Mario. It's me, it's Mario. Oh, my bed. Have you guys seen my bed? Look on my bed. Actually, I'm gonna go further. The cover's hanging off. Silly Billy me. Anyway, I'm gonna show you who we got. Sorry, I was playing with my Lego. Let me move them real quick for my Lego dimension. Yeah, on the Mario, we're gonna show you who we've got. Let's go here. Up the ladder, little ladder. We got Cody the Koopa Trooper. Oh, what? Oh, we got Green Yoshi. We got Black Yoshi. We got Mario. It's me. We got Toad, and I think we have a Bullet Bill, but that's a proper toy. And I don't know where it is. We're just gonna have to get there. So let's get them. Get them. Put them here. Get the rest. My name's Cody. I'm a boss. Let's get this. Get this. Get this. Oh yeah, subscribe to my cousin. His YouTube name's iBallistic Keenan. So yeah, let's do this. Now leave in the comments below if you do like this video with me. And yeah, let's do this. Bring the teddy. Bring these. Now let's do them. Let's do them. Me in 2 Angry Birds. Drop them on the floor. Drop them on the floor. Okay, let's play them. It's hard to record while playing though. So like this. Get there. Hey guys, don't you ever get hungry? Yeah, I'm starving, man. What do you want? Like a sandwich or something? Yeah, I want a sandwich. Give me a sandwich. I want to eat a bad guy. Yeah, if only Bullet Bill was here, I could eat him. Oh man, you normally, when you do that, you normally spit it out. So no one get anything that he can eat. That's an enemy. He would spit it out. Ew, that's disgusting. Oh, he can eat me though, because I'm a cooler super. Yeah, it's Cody. No. Cody's gone. Ate him. Spit him out. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. I'm gonna kick your face though. I'm kicking your face. WWE. Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw this black fin in your face. Oh, like that hurt. Let's go to the kitchen, guys, and get something to eat. Yeah, go in the kitchen. 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 Let's go. Go in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen. Oh no, whatever. It's Mario and Yoshi. Okay, what do you want to eat? Let's get in the fridge. Something from the fridge. Open the fridge. Let's eat. Eat something. What do we want? Come on, guys. Let's get something to eat. Toad, you stop. I want this bottle of Coca-Cola. Let's get it out. Yeah, there we go. Get back them. Get me in this. I'm drinking a Coca-Cola. Okay. Now, Cody, what do you want? I'm thirsty actually. I want. Oh, that's so nice. Does anyone want to share this chocolate flavored milk with me? And we have chocolate milkshakes with it. Yeah, us too. I'm really hungry because the gumbas look like mushrooms. I want to eat something like food. Okay, I'm done now. It's freezing in there. I want. Let's get a cheese string out. Get a cheese string out. Get a cheese string. Let me open the packet. Open the packet. Get a cheese string out. No, let's get lots of that cheese strings. Yeah. There we go. Get these. Ah, no. Let's open it. Open it. Anyone know how to open a cheese string wrapper? Me, the magical hands does. Yeah. And then, voila! Yay, thank you! Eat a cheese string. Nom 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 nom. That means the Mario eating a cheese string. Nom 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 nom. Hey guys! Hey guys! Is Mario eating a cheese string? No! I'm gonna eat it! Actually nice. Bye!